Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Inovio Pharmaceuticals, and what has happened recently is because the Department of Defense has pulled up its funding for the final testing phase for the COVID company's COVID vaccine, the stock has fallen very sharply. Now, you have the entire press release that what has happened and the authorization part for the US department and all the companies and all those things. But what is happening in this particular stock is, let me show you the stock chart. Actually, what is happening in this particular stock, this particular stock has been battered down from the level of $35 itself. Okay, and same kind of news source information, or it's been surrounding by the negative information or the news, and it is in the grip for the past 2 or 3 months. On it's not past 2 or 3 months, it's actually 9 or 10 months. Okay, so the thing here, or the important thing to understand here is this the only thing they are relying upon? Don't they have any other businesses where they are not only dependent on government, uh, you can say funding or government resources, and they have their own resources, so that when things turn around, because whenever you are in R&D, obviously things will not work out all the time. Okay, so it is completely saddened to see that the stock has been falling and falling very sharply, and been surrounded by negative news for the past 7, 8, 9 or 10 months. Now, one thing you need to understand, that price moved ahead of news. Okay, and that's why you can see the stock has been falling down. But if the news has so much impact, and company, if you think that company doesn't have any fundamentals at all, then there is no need to hold on to this particular stock. But if you think that if there is something, or if the company has value beyond the news, then only you will find some value out of it. Now, I'll talk about the price because that's what I understand. As you can see here, the stock is currently holding, or currently moved to a point where it can may it can go up, or it may fall down very sharply. So 6.54, $6.50 will be the level that you need to look at. And in any case, if the 6.5 level is gone, or if the stock falls below this level, then in that case you will definitely see a sharp price collapse. Okay, so be mindful of that, because now it becomes a complete range, and on the downside you have your two important support levels at 2.5 and 1.97. On the middle you have 6.54, where all the important moving averages and a trend line lies. And if it actually moves up, it has to move up from this level, otherwise it will definitely fall on the downside. So as you can see, the level is very clear and the chart is very clear in front of you, and what is currently happening, because this kind of fall 20, 30, 40% in a single trading session does not looks good. Okay, so here we are as far as the trend is concerned. On the downside, don't try to go below $6.50, and if it goes, as I told you, it may revisit the lows of 1.97 or $2 on the downside, and if it sustains, then on the upside you have $14 and $31 respectively. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.